Hello everyone and welcome back to our Excel training videos. Today we're going to continue with commonly used hotkeys and we're going to take a closer look at copy and paste options. So let's begin. Copy and paste. Before we start, I just want to add a quick note that on some keyboards you have to use the F button together with F keys, and for some keyboards you need to use the F button together with keys like page up, page down, home, and end. So our first shortcut is how to copy paste formula and format once. So to copy the formula and format, you need to use shortcut Ctrl and C. And if you move to cell C4 and press enter, it will automatically paste the value. But the thing is, if you use Ctrl C and enter, you can only copy the format and the formula just once. So the data is no longer copyable. How do you copy paste formulas and functions multiple times? For that, you need to press Ctrl C, the same shortcut for copy, and if you move to C4, and the shortcut for paste is C, Ctrl and V. So if you press Ctrl V, it will copy the formula and format, and as you can see, we still have the dashed line around cell B4. That means that the data is still copyable. So what we need to do is we can just go to cell D4 and press Ctrl V again, and you can see that we can still pass the value. So if you want to remove that dashed line, if you want to make the data no longer copyable, you need to press escape to just uncopy. Perfect. So how to cut and paste formula and format. To cut the formula and format inside of a cell, you need to use the shortcut Ctrl and X. And let's say we go to cell B5, and if you press Ctrl V, which is the shortcut for paste that we saw, it will automatically cut the format and the formula inside B4, and it will paste it on B5. Since we're using cut and paste, it's basically like the same we used on copy and paste once, so we can only use once. So how to fill right? So to fill a formula and format right, what we need to do is we need to highlight an area where we want to fill, and let's say we want to highlight B4 to D4 by using Shift and arrow keys. So after we highlight it, if we press Ctrl and R together, it will automatically fill the cells with the same formula and the format. If you want to fill down, it's pretty much the same. What we need to do is we need to highlight the area again, and for this time we want to highlight C2 to C4 by using Shift and down arrow. So after we highlight it, we just need to press Ctrl and D, and it will automatically do the same action. So how to fill formula in highlighted area? So if you want to fill a formula in a highlighted area, no matter if it's like a horizontal or a vertical area, what you need to do is you need to highlight the area again, and for example, let's highlight the area B4 to D4. And if you press F2, it will automatically show the formula inside that specific cell. And as you can see right now, we can see the cell, we can see the formula in cell B4. So if you press Ctrl and Enter together, it will automatically fill the same formula and format for that highlighted area. So how to paste spatial? It's pretty simple. We need to copy a cell. So let's pick B4 and press Ctrl C for copy. And if you press Ctrl and arrow keys, we can directly go to D4. And from here, let's press Ctrl+Alt+V to open the paste spatial window. And as you can see, we have tons of different options that we can select. So for example, if you want to paste only the format, what you need to do is you need to press the underlined letter for formats, which is T. And after T, if you press enter, it will automatically copy the format. So as you can see, we just make the cell value D4 with bold, and we made it as currency, but still the value is $1. So let's just give another example with paste special. So if you go D5 and if you press Ctrl+Alt+V, it will open the paste special menu, and let's say we just want to copy the values. So for that, we need to press V for the unlighted letter for values, and if you press OK, now we just copy the value. The format is different. The format, we don't have any specific format for D5, so it's like a general format, but we just copied the number. So let's just give one more example. Let's press Ctrl+Alt+V one more time to open the paste special menu. And from here, we can actually copy the same column width. What it means is if you press W and press enter, right now we just copied the length of width in column B to column D. So basically the column B and D is right now have the same width. As you can see, underneath the paste special window, in the paste area, we have tons of different options. You can just select one of those by pressing the underlined letter and press enter. So paste special operations. You can also do operations underneath the paste special. So we can add some values, subtract, multiply, and divide. So let's just give an example for multiply. Let's copy the cell in D2. Let's go to cell B2 and highlight the area from B2 to B3. What we want to do is we want to open the paste special menu and we want to multiply 1,000 with the values in sales and cost of goods sold. To do that, we need to open paste special menu by pressing Ctrl+Alt and V. And from here, what we need to do is we need to first select the values because we want the value in D2 to be multiplied. And then we need to select multiply for underneath the operations menu inside paste special window by pressing M. So if we press enter, it will automatically multiply the 1,000 with the numbers inside the sales and the cost of goods sold. So the data is still copyable, so what we need to do is press escape to finish the operation. And the good part is we just did the operation, so even though we just delete the number in D2, the values will still be the same. So the sales will still remain $100,000. By saying that, you can also do different operations by using the same logic. So if you want to add something or subtract something, you can just follow the same steps and it will automatically do what you want to do. So paste special transpose. So at the bottom of the paste special window, we have the skip blanks and the transpose options. And let's just give an example about how we can transpose. So let's highlight the area from A2 to B2. And let's just copy those values. If we go to D2, and if we open the paste special menu by Ctrl+Alt+V, and if we press E letter for transpose and press enter, it will automatically take the transpose of that highlighted area and paste it on D2 and D3. Our last topic in paste special is how to paste links. So at the bottom left corner of paste special window, we have the paste link options. So what we can do is we can actually paste link from another sheet. So in here we have that highlighted area from B4 to D4, and we just need to copy that area. And we will just need to move to page 2 by moving Control and page down. And from here, if we press Ctrl+Alt+V and press L, it will automatically copy and paste the links. So as you can see, for B2 is linked actually to cell B4 in sheet 1. So well done guys, we just finished our video. As you can see, we have a list of all the shortcuts that we used in this video. And if you want to practice by yourself by playing our game, you can just directly go to hotkeyexcel.com, and from there you can find our game and download. So basically, Hotkey Excellence can build your muscle memory and it will make you extremely efficient and faster in Excel. So that's it for today, and see you on the next video.